Greetings in Christ, dear La Rochelle community. This is Joseph and Olesa from Ukraine, from the House of Prayer to all of the nations. We want to say thank you for your help, for your support, for your prayers, for the word of encouragement that we receive regularly from your pastors. Just wanted to send quick note about what's happening in Ukraine. We are doing well. Lord is gracious to us. In situation with COVID, situation rather stable, although we're still in a quarantine type of a situation, but in Rakhiv it's very safe and a rather good condition. We as community live at this stage quite busy life. We have many things that we do. We believe that at this stage we are in the phase of laying foundation in our new community that was born a few years ago, and we are working on discipleship. We have many meetings, gatherings during the week. We have brothers meetings, sisters meetings, we have children's meetings, and all kinds of events and projects that we do in order to increase the growth in Christ of our new believers, and make more mature the life of believers that already in the church for a long time. So we just wanted to say thank you for your faithfulness, for your friendship and brotherhood and sisterhood that we can experience although we live far from each other. So may the Lord bless you and be with you. Tot ziens!